Hey guys, Dan here with LED for RV and TRV parts, and I want to do a short video on how to repair a Baraldi hood range LED light. They've been putting these on some of the newer units, and it's a real nice sleek unit, but occasionally the LED lights go bad in it, so I've got a kit that will allow us to repair that light. This little project is no soldering required. All you're going to need is some wire strippers, a couple of butt connectors or wire nuts, whichever you prefer, and it's a pretty easy job. For starters, all you're going to need to do is just to pop the little plastic lens out of the hood range. Then with that little plastic lens and LED strip assembly in your hand, you should be able to pull that down and detach it from a quick disconnect that allows the wires to attach to the hood range itself. Now you want to detach the little metal strip from inside of the clear plastic lens. There's little clips holding it in. Be careful not to break them. Now look on the side of the metal strip where the wires are attached, and you should be able to see a little white wire tie. Go ahead and clip that wire tie and pull the LED strips off of the piece of metal. Now go ahead and cut the wire as close to the LED strips as you can get. Now go ahead and push the sheathing or loom back towards the quick disconnect on the wire. Now strip back the wire on the new LED strip and the wire that's going to go towards the hood range. Using your small wire nuts or butt connectors, attach the black wire to the black wire and the white wire to the red wire. At this point, you're going to want to get this LED strip just bare like it is and reattach it to the hood range, and then hit the switch to test the light. The current that drives this LED light is DC low voltage, and it will not shock you. If over a period of time the color coding on these wires changes and you hook this light up incorrectly by the color code that I suggested, don't be concerned. It will not hurt the LEDs. Just reverse the two wires and it should work. Now that your LEDs are tested, disconnect the quick connect on the LED strip from the hood range, and then pull the adhesive off the back of the new LEDs, attach it to the metal, put you another little small white wire tie right back in the same location that the other one was on, reattach it to the plastic lens, and then pop it back up in there. You're done. Thank you for taking time to watch our video. Give us a thumbs up and a like if you can, and also comments and remarks are welcome. Thank you.